If your Tundra's AC feels like a hairdryer, it's time to cool down. First off, check the basics. Is the AC button on? Sometimes it's the simple things we overlook. Now let's look under the hood. Your AC system depends on refrigerant. If it's low, your AC won't blow cold air. A quick visit to a mechanic can fix that. Next, listen up. Is there a strange noise when you turn on the AC? It could be the compressor. It's the heart of your AC system. If it's faulty, no cool air for you. Also, ever noticed a bad smell? Your cabin air filter might be clogged. Replacing it is a quick and cheap fix. Finally, check your fuses. A blown fuse can disrupt the entire AC system. Find your fuse box, locate the AC fuse, and see if it needs replacing. So, if your Tundra's AC isn't working, it could be one of these common issues. From low refrigerant to a faulty compressor, there's always a solution. Stay cool and happy driving.